All right, some more breaking news coming in. Delhi's tourism minister and Aam Aadmi Party leader Kapil Mishra has kicked off a massive row after making derogatory remarks on Prime Minister Modi addressing a function on the occasion of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose's birth anniversary. The Aam Aadmi Party leader slammed the Prime Minister for inviting ISI sleuths to inspect the Pathankot terror attack site. While attacking Modi, Kapil Mishra made highly offensive remarks against the Prime Minister.
सरकार बैठी हुई है, पाकिस्तान के आके घुटने टेक कर बैठे हुए हैं।
नरेंद्र मोदी जी के लिए कुछ कहेंगे आप उनको?
ये मोदी जी के लिए कह रहा हूं मैं।
Okay, let's go across to Anindo Banerjee. Anindo, for obvious reasons, we have decided not to telecast what Kapil Mishra has said for the Prime Minister. He also goes on to say that I am saying this to the Prime Minister of the country. What is the sort of political response that you are hearing on this comment that has been made?
Well, absolutely, the BJP, it hasn't gone down well, not only with the BJP, but also, other opposition parties, which otherwise are united in, expressing their disenchantment with the central government. They're also not taking it lightly. They're saying that this kind of language used in a public discourse and particularly by a sitting minister of a Delhi government is absolutely unexpected. And, when a person was asking, because in his speech he was directing that, or using that language, a derogatory language that we decided at India Today not to telecast as Modi government, but when a reporter asked that whether you are using that as towards the Prime Minister as well, he said yes. So that is extremely unexpected, and it remains to be seen whether he was making that allegation, he was making that statement in his individual capacity, or whether he has that backing of his own party, that is the Aam Aadmi Party.
Very unbecoming of a person who's a minister in the Delhi government. Let's go across to BJP's Shambit Patra, who joins us on the phone line at this moment. Dr. Patra, this comment that has been made by Kapil Mishra of the Aam Aadmi Party against the Prime Minister, how does the BJP look at this remark?
I firmly believe that language is an ornament which every politician should be aware of. And using such abnormal kind of language, especially for the Prime Minister, is absolutely appalling, and especially when a minister speaks. In fact, I'm aware of the fact that the Aam Aadmi Party has, in fact, of late been quite used to such kind of languages. But it's really appalling, I would say, that
Dr. Patra, I would request you to please stay on with us. We've got Kapil Mishra now on the phone line to explain his side of the story. Mr. Mishra, do you want to apologize or regret the comment that you have made?
I just want to know right now, what exactly are you showing? Is it the full thing or is it something out of context? Because then I would like to give a context to what I said.
Can I play it out, Dr. Patra? Dr. Patra as well as Kapil Mishra, will you allow me to play that reaction just one moment so that we can get a proper response?
सरकार बैठी हुई है, पाकिस्तान के आके घुटने टेक कर बैठे हुए हैं।
नरेंद्र मोदी जी के लिए कुछ कहेंगे आप उनको?
ये मोदी जी के लिए कह रहा हूं मैं।
So, Kapil Mishra, you made certain comments. We are beeping them out because we feel that they are derogatory remarks. The reporter asked you, is this a reference to the Prime Minister? Mr. Mishra, you say, ये मैं प्रधानमंत्री के लिए ही कह रहा हूँ.
So that's why I wanted you to run the whole thing, because I think you are just running that one particular line that I said. Let me give you the context in which I said that. जहाँ पर मैं गया था, वहाँ पर देश के सैनिकों को सम्मान दिया जा रहा था, और चर्चा ये चल रही थी कि हिंदुस्तान के इतिहास में आजादी के बाद पहली बार ऐसा हो रहा है कि आतंकवादी हमले हुए पाकिस्तान की तरफ से, और पाकिस्तान की ही खुफिया एजेंसी को, पाकिस्तान की सरकार को उसमें मदद के लिए बोला जा रहा है, उनकी एजेंसी को हिंदुस्तान बुलाया जा रहा है। ये भी पहली बार हो रहा है इस देश में कि इस देश का प्रधानमंत्री सरकारी नहीं, व्यक्तिगत फंक्शन में पाकिस्तान के प्रधानमंत्री के घर जाता है, उनकी माता के पैर छूता है, उन्हें गिफ्ट देता है, केक खाता है और वापस आ जाता है। इस कॉन्टेक्स्ट में सैनिकों के बीच में जब ये बात हुई कि देश के इतिहास में ऐसा पहला कभी नहीं हुआ, तब जरूर मैंने ये कहा कि हाँ, ऐसा करने वाली ये देश की सबसे कमजोर और कायर सरकार है।
Shambit Patra, this is the defense of Kapil Mishra. Are you satisfied with this response?
See, I believe he merits no answers because of the fact that what was projected over here was he used the word important for the Prime Minister and for the government. I believe these are the words which are quite derogatory and should not have been used by a minister at least. Kapil Mishra is a young, budding politician. At least Kapil Mishra and his friends should show some kind of restraint in their language. They should show the path for the future leaders rather than, in fact, using such kind of language and showing what exactly the Aam Aadmi Party is all about. I think rather than trying to justify what he said, it would be better on his part if he apologizes and closes the matter.
Would you like to take this opportunity, Mr. Mishra, to perhaps admit that the choice of words may have been poor? Mr. Mishra.
मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि जो मेरे देश के दुश्मन के साथ केक खाएगा, जो मेरे देश के दुश्मनों को इस देश में बुलाएगा कि तुमने हम पे हमला किया, अब जांच भी तुम ही करो, सबूत भी तुम ही लेकर आओ, मेरे को लगता है उस आदमी को मैं एक बार नहीं 1000 बार कायर कहूंगा, कमजोर कहूंगा, नपुंसक कहूंगा.
Okay, so this is obviously an impasse. This is obviously a confrontation, something with the BJP and the Aam Aadmi Party have been known to doing in the past also, and this is perhaps one more case where this is heading towards a possible impasse. However, Mr. Mishra, we feel as a responsible channel not to put out those comments. We are beeping that word out at this moment because I feel whatever the political differences may be, he is the Prime Minister of the country.
This is not about politics, sir. This is about my country, my nation.
No, that's true, but it's also about the nation's Prime Minister. He is above
Yeah,
party
the Prime
lines.
Minister is shaking hands with the enemy of this country. I think उन्हें उन शहीदों के बारे में सोचना चाहिए जो रोज बॉर्डर में मर रहे हैं. और पाकिस्तान की खुफिया एजेंसी अगर पठानकोट की जांच करेगी तो जांच किसकी करेगी? जो मारने वाला है वही जांच करेगा क्या हमारे को मारने वालों की? इस देश में कभी ऐसा नहीं
No,
हुआ
no,
कि
but
पाकिस्तान
Mr.
को
Mishra,
जांच करने के लिए बुलाया जाए.
Mr. Mishra, I want to understand. Dr. Patra, would you like to respond? I want to understand from Mr. Mishra. I want to understand from Mr. Mishra, how does the Prime Minister's going to Pakistan have anything to do with him inviting terrorists?
No, I am not saying he is inviting terrorism. I am saying he is inviting Pakistani agencies to investigate how terrorism happening in India. I think इससे ज्यादा बड़ा मजाक इस देश के साथ कोई नहीं हो सकता कि हम पाकिस्तान से बोल रहे हैं कि इस देश के आतंकवाद की जांच करो.
Okay, Dr. Patra, you want to take that one?
So I'll tell you very frankly, I've been observing this quite closely since the while you started this discussion. I'll tell you, I mean, this is not a confrontation with the Prime Minister of the country. This is confrontation with civility. So let me go out of this debate because I believe I cannot win from Mr. Kapil Mishra in this incivility and this kind of language. Let him please continue with this. The people of this country are watching him. The people of this country are seeing what's the nature of Aam Aadmi Party and they'll take a decision on their own.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, Dr. Patra as well as Kapil Mishra, many thanks for joining us at this moment. There's a word that has been used in the discourse, in the comment that was made by Kapil Mishra, which we here at India Today feel is a word which should not be used for a sitting Prime Minister. However, Kapil Mishra of the Aam Aadmi Party feels that there is absolutely nothing wrong in using that word, considering the fact that it is his opinion that the Prime Minister seems to have compromised national integrity. That seems to be the position at this moment. Kapil Mishra as well as Shambit Patra, many thanks for joining us.